Welcome to Digital Skillwork Studio, where digital skills come to life. My goal is to guide you through clear, beginner-friendly lessons that make learning digital tools simple, enjoyable, and stress-free. In this lesson, you will learn how to work with shapes, lines, and elements in Canva. These tools help you build structure, add decoration, and create clean layouts. You will learn how to add elements, customize them, and use them to organize and enhance your designs. Elements are graphics you can add to your design. They include shapes, lines, icons, illustrations, stickers, and more. You can find all elements in the Elements panel on the left sidebar. This is where you'll access everything you need to build your layout. To add a shape, open the Elements panel and scroll until you see the Shapes section. Click any shape to place it on your canvas. Shapes are useful for backgrounds, buttons, labels, and layout blocks. You can add as many shapes as you need. To change the color of a shape, click the shape to select it. Then open the color tile in the top toolbar. Choose a color from the palette or enter a hex code for an exact match. This helps you keep your design consistent with your color theme. You can resize a shape by dragging the corner handles. You can stretch a shape by dragging the side handles. To rotate a shape, use the rotate handle at the top or bottom. These tools let you adjust shapes to fit your layout perfectly. To add a line, open the Elements panel and search for the word line. Canva offers many line styles, including straight lines, curved lines, and decorative lines. Click a line to add it to your canvas, then place it where you want it. When a line is selected, you can customize it using the top toolbar. You can change the thickness, adjust the color, and switch between solid or dashed styles. These options help you create dividers, underlines, and simple decorative accents. Canva includes thousands of icons and graphics. To find them, open the Elements panel and scroll through the categories or use the search bar. You can search for items like arrow, star, or check mark. Click any graphic to add it to your design. Some icons allow color changes. If an icon supports color editing, you will see color boxes in the top toolbar. Click the color boxes to change the icon's colors. If no color boxes appear, the icon cannot be recolored. You can layer elements to create depth in your design. Right-click an element to bring it forward or send it backward. You can also use the Position button in the top toolbar. Layering helps you organize your layout and control what appears on top. You can group elements to move them together. Hold Shift and click each element you want to group. Then click the Group button in the top toolbar. Grouping keeps your layout organized and makes it easy to move or resize multiple items at once. Here is a quick summary. Use the Elements panel to add shapes, lines, icons, and graphics. Change colors using the top toolbar. Resize, rotate, and layer elements to build your layout. Group elements to keep your design organized and easy to manage. You now understand how to work with shapes, lines, and elements in Canva. In the next lesson, you will learn how to use layers, positioning tools, and magic layers to organize your designs with precision and control. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you don't miss the next lesson. Your support helps this channel grow. I'll see you in the next tutorial.